Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how I parallel park, and I can definitely say parallel parking is something you get better at with practice, and there will be times you'll be forced to parallel park, so hopefully this video serves as a resource and tool as I'll be showing you some of my tips and tricks on how to master parallel parking. So to start off, I'm going to look for a spot that's big enough for my vehicle, and there's a good one right here it looks like. So I'm going to creep up to the front car and make sure that I'm directly across from the driver's seat of the front car. Then put my car in reverse and turn my steering wheel towards the curb and begin to back into the spot. And then once my back door is even with the front car's rear bumper, I can begin to turn my wheel the opposite way. Then once I'm in the spot, I can pull forward to straighten out, giving both cars in the front and the back space to get out. Then I'll put my car in park and done. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it somewhat helpful. I know that I struggled with parallel parking when I first started driving, so stay tuned for more videos like this one, and make sure to like and share this video, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys!